Omusinga w'ibye.
Aha mukoro gukurahiza ba minisita basya Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu rwa nyuma y'imyaka mushanju. His Majesty Charles Wizire Mumberire Mangoma uri Omusinga wa Rwenzururu nagira ngo ba minisita bashyikire kucumanya ngo Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu batire mu bwesige okore imirimo yabwo.
Thank you for your commitment and the support that you have always shown to the Omusinga wa Rwenzururu, which have led you to be considered to serve in these high offices of the kingdom. I'm confident that you will collectively move our cultural institution forward.
Right Honorable Joseph Kure Murango twirarye nganzi y'Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu kandi waronze urwenyuma ahubwo Omusinga wa Rwenzururu yabira ryo mu nkomo nagira ngo kitwire kitanguhi okore imirimo y'Omusinga.
Government has reacted so well to us. They have given us so far 50 scholarships from State House, and the first batch of 50 have been taken and government is paying. They are giving us, they are going to give us our vehicles, although some of the vehicles are here at the police, but they are going to give us new.
Benyigire nnyo program ne ya government zibakiriye no kunga abantu kulaba nti benyigira mu nkulakulana ereteddwa government.
Geoffrey Kanyinyo tori nuko ba minisita w'ibyamakuru hamwe no kugambira Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu nagira ngo imirimo ye naija kugikora kurungi.
In my sense, I see that we can be able to impact on internet awareness so that people can see what is taking place in Rwenzururu Kingdom.
Omuganda makuru emyeto mu district ya Mitoma barabwira ko etantari entaro za internet ebitu ngo bagikozese gukora ebyentunguka ebyo nabigambira kuba bebembezo mu district ya Mitoma barumwe mu nyishenjero kazi Juliet Gashabashisha babire no banjore emyeto miliyoni 30 ezurugiro wo muhezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa okwera projects zemyeto.
There is no leader who is going to put food in your mouth. It is you and your hands and body.
Emikutu tujikozese on purposeful arrangements, but not to see everything. And they find you can look at a girl, a boy there going dancing because they are not like a stone which you throw in the bush. One day, Odyashanga ebyewa benota waliya okwa musortindo niwogwe owabe nujekabusha
kandi change neza kutandikana na niwe ngo mwebembeze ne kutandikana na niwe ngo mwebembeze ebe bino biriko change will start with you.
Twayiga kugira ngo nkitwe nk'emyeto tusemeye kubana tukora munonga ekisemeye kubana kituretera twakora tukagira icyo twabiko mu nsaho yitu
emyete garcere yaraburwa hakozesubwa bakabaha sente ngo bajuma bebembezi amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Michael Atwakire.